Can you make your PowerPoint presentations more dynamic and interactive? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to insert a hyperlink into your slides, whether it is to a web page, an email address, a file, or even another slide within your presentation. Let's start by understanding what a hyperlink is. You've definitely seen them before. They are those clickable bits of text that take you somewhere else, like to a website, a document, or an email window. They are everywhere online, and now you will learn how to add them to your PowerPoint projects too. Let's begin by adding a basic link to a web page. First, highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. For this example, let's use something like Multimedia Creator. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Hyperlink. A dialog box will appear and you will see the display text at the top. That is the part people will click on. Below that, you can paste the web address or URL you want the text to link to. Once that's done, hit OK. And just like that, your text becomes a hyperlink. Now let's link to an email address. Imagine you're building an onboarding slide for new employees, and you want them to be able to contact human resource personnel just by clicking a name. This time, right-click on the person's name instead of using the ribbon. From the context menu, select Hyperlink. In the new window, click on Email Address on the left side. Then, just enter the email address you want the link to open. When users click on it during the slideshow, their default email app will pop up, ready to send a message. That's another simple example of how to insert a hyperlink that adds a lot of value to your PowerPoint. Take note that this only works if the user has set a default email app. Another cool trick is linking to documents stored on your computer. Let's say you want to give your audience access to the Employee Benefits Guide, which is a Word file saved locally on your computer. Right-click the text or object you want to make clickable. And once again, choose Hyperlink. In the pop-up, select existing file or web page. Then browse to find the document on your computer. Once you've located it, double-click the file to create the link. You are done. Here is an important tip, but before we continue, hit the like button. Okay, if you are going to present or share your PowerPoint on a different computer, make sure the file you are linking to is in the same folder with it. Otherwise, the hyperlink might break. Always test your links in advance to avoid surprises during your presentation. To make sure everything works smoothly, you can test your links directly within PowerPoint. Just right-click the linked object or text and choose Open Hyperlink. If everything is set up properly, the link should take you exactly to where you want it to go. Do you need to change or remove the link? No problem. Right-click again and you'll see the options to edit hyperlink or delete it altogether. Now here is a feature that takes your presentation to the next level. Suppose your opening slide acts as a table of contents. Wouldn't it be awesome if viewers could click on any section and jump straight to that part of your presentation? Here is how to insert a hyperlink that connects to another slide. Instead of linking text, we are going to link a shape like a rectangle or a button. That way, people can click anywhere on it. Click Insert, then Shape, and choose the shape you want to use. Right-click it and select Hyperlink. In the pop-up, choose Place in this document on the left. You will see a list of all slides complete with mini previews. Select the one you want to jump to and click OK. Repeat the process for each item in your content slides. You now have a fully interactive menu inside your PowerPoint. Why do hyperlinks make PowerPoint powerful? Using hyperlinks in your PowerPoint slides is a fantastic way to connect your audience to websites and external resources, allow instant email access, link to supporting documents, and jump around your presentation with a lot of ease. With just a few clicks, your slides go from static to interactive, giving your viewers a smoother and more professional experience. And now that you know how to insert a hyperlink, you've got a powerful new tool in your presentation toolbox. If you've learned a new PowerPoint skill, type yes and like this video. But if not, type no and let me know what you've not understood in the comment section. See you in the next one.